I hope my designs will come alive. If it was a seed, it would blossom in your hand. Since the time I fell in love with developing themes, my passion has not changed even till now. At first, I only wanted to express and share things that I love through theme design. Use theme design as a channel to express and share the things that I love. But after a while, the people who liked my designs increased. I realized that it wasn't just because my designs looked great. More importantly, they resonated with my designs, as it empowered them with some sort of positive energy and vitality. That's why theme design shouldn't be just about aesthetics, but a form of self-expression. Whenever I think about this, it gives me the drive, knowing that I'm on a mission to safeguard their imaginary worlds, to give them courage for self-expression. When I decided to heed this calling, designing meant a different purpose, as compared to when I first did it out of interest. Users often get feedback on theme designs in the platform. It helps my team, and I understand their likes and dislikes, their aesthetic preferences, and their user behavior. As we further study these insights, we can then improve and elevate what we produce. The series of design and developer tools available on the Huawei platform facilitates the design process and make it a lot simpler. It allows designers to explore their creative side, to design themes that can interact and resonate with users better.
Hello， 就是刚才说的悟空传，你们觉得怎么样呢？
Even when I meet with challenges, disagreements, or simply when I run out of ideas, I will stay determined. Because I understand that this is the rite of passage for growth. And I know the best partners are always on my side. I hope that my designs bring life to the hearts of many, to encourage them to express themselves. We live in a digital era where almost nothing is impossible. What we need to do is allow our imagination to run free, and then strive to achieve these breakthroughs. Everything is possible, and your world is what you make of it. As long as you stay open to different forms of creative expressions, beauty, and experiences, you will find the world more interesting and a vibrant place. I am Zhong Xie, Huawei Themes developer, and I live for love.